Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Thursday to you. It is a beautiful, beautiful Thursday. As you can see, the sun is shining in. It is a beautiful day out there. Get outside, get some fresh air, enjoy the weather. It is beautiful. Come sit in our back garden, have a drink. We are open this evening. It is Thursday. We had an awesome Cinco de Mayo yesterday. It was nice and busy. It was steady. I have some people joining me now. Hello, everybody. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. And thank you. I appreciate all the support. Hello, Sean. I saw Ralph on, so hello, everybody. Let's see. So it is Thursday. Tonight is our burger night. $9.99 burgers to go tonight. We also have our tikka masala chicken available with rice for $9.99 to go. Hello, Matt. Hello, Joel. Hello. Nice to see everybody on. Let's see. So $9.99 specials tonight are our tikka masala chicken with rice to go and any of our burgers, including the veggie burger, to go. We are open for Mother's Day. We open at 3 o'clock, so we're not doing brunch this year. We open at 3 o'clock, and remember, we have limited tables inside, so please call and make reservations. We also have to-go available, so you can order to-go for Mother's Day as well. And Monday night, we have a wine dinner, our Long Island wine dinner, so it's 4 wines and a dish for $29. Can't beat that. 4 awesome wines from Long Island on Monday night. Starts at 6:30. Call and make reservations. Highly recommend making reservations. And we sell out, so that does sell out all the time. So, well, some new faces on today. Hello, Sabrina. Hello, Julia. Hello, Sandy. Thanks, everybody, for watching me. And let's see. So today I am going to make a cherry smash. So I am going to start with these awesome cherries from Filthy Cherry. And I am going to add a little bit of agave and a little bit of lime. And I am going to mash that up. So I'm going to smash the cherries. I'm going to muddle those all together with the agave and the lime. And yum, look at that. I can also put some cherry juice in here too. I do have some tart cherry juice. So let's see how this comes out. They are Filthy cherries. They are dark cherries. They are awesome. I don't have the bottle in front of me, but they are awesome cherries. When I put them in a drink, everybody automatically is like, wow, you're gonna make a good drink because those cherries are awesome. So they are good cherries. All right, I'm gonna use gin. So 2 ounces of gin. I'm going to mix that up. Look at that. I'm gonna add ice to my glass. And I am going to top it off with this awesome organic coconut sparkling water. I hope this is good, this drink. It looked really good when I saw it online. It called for coconut water. I only have sparkling coconut water, so I think this is gin and sparkling coconut. Probably will make a good drink. And some, just mix it on up in here. Yum, yum. Looking good. All right. So there we have it. Our our cherry smash. Ooh, that's really good. That is yummy. So thanks everybody for watching me. Hello Connie, hello Tom, hello Cheryl and Brenda, hello Susan. I am actually live right now, so if you are watching me live, you can put a hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Happy Mother's Day to those moms out there. Remember, we are open for Mother's Day. We open at 3 o'clock. Call and make your reservations. We also have groceries. Don't forget, if you want to pick up brunch items on Saturday, we have bagels. We can have cream cheese. We have lox, so smoked lox. They are wild smoked lox. We have, let's see, what else do we have for breakfast? You can get fruits, you can get orange juice, grapefruit juice. You can get a mimosa kit. Come on in, get a mimosa kit, bring it home. Enjoy a mimosa kit. It is a sparkling Sauvignon Blanc and orange juice. I love mimosas with grapefruit juice. So come on in, pick up groceries Friday or Saturday, tomorrow or Saturday for Sunday brunch, and make brunch at home. I can order eggs if you let me know. We can get some organic eggs for you and make a Mother's Day brunch at home. So there are lots of options. This drink is awesome. It is a cherry smash. Let me go over what's in it again. We have gin. I have this awesome coconut sparkling water, agave, some filthy cherries mashed up, and some lime juice. So that is my drink for today. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. It's beautiful out there. Of all the days it being beautiful, I never got outside to work out today. I never got out for my run. My day got away from me, and I didn't want you to miss me here on Facebook, so I wanted to make sure I got my Facebook Live in today, a little bit later than normal, but I'm here. I got it done. Thanks everybody who came out for Cinco de Mayo. Thanks everybody for your support. Again, $9.99 specials this week is a tiki masala chicken to go with rice, and it is our burger night, so $9.99 burgers to go. Our special on Sunday for Mother's Day to go, we will have the tiki masala chicken, and we also have shrimp scampi served with, I think it's with rice. I'm pretty sure it's being served with rice. So order to take out on Sunday. That helps us out since we have limited tables. The streets are supposed to open this weekend. I'm not quite sure what the consensus is. It is going to be a cold and rainy weekend, so I know they canceled one day already. Not sure about all the others. And that's it. Hope everybody has an awesome night, and I will see you tomorrow for Friday Happy Hour. Have a good night, and we'll catch you soon. Thanks everybody for watching. Cheers.